Hello everybody, today we've got another type of instrument here with us. So we'll be looking at these right here. These are bells from the Siraya tribe, and in the Siraya language, they're called the Kilikili. Now these two are a bit more traditional bells based off of the ones often mentioned in Han texts about the Siraya, but there is also a more newly invented type of bell from one of the tribes that is a tube of steel or iron with a pellet inside of it. Alright, so traditionally the Kilikili were used for two main purposes, the first of which being Kasiuman. Now Kasiuman refers to the traditional Siraya running races. Now running is a very large part of Siraya culture as well as many other Pingpu cultures, because out in the plains you have to be good at running to deliver messages between villages, and you also have to be good at running in order to hunt things like deer in the plains where they can always see you. So the second thing is actually delivering messages. So oftentimes a Siraya would be sent over to another village to deliver a message, and while they would do that, they would wear a kilikili on their back and also wear a pheasant feather in their hair. Alright, so now we're going to separately go through the two types of traditional kilikili, and we're going to start off with the simpler one here, which is the handheld kilikili. So all it is a piece of sheet iron or sheet steel that's been bent into the shape of a tube, with one end still left open, forming a slit, and on either sides of the slit is where the metal is going to be vibrating the most. Now, to strike it, you just use a handheld beater, or some people also have an iron bracelet for it. This is just a piece of bamboo, so just hit on the side. It makes the bell sound. Alright, so now for the second type of traditional kilikili. The structure of the bell itself is just about the same, but the way you play it is a lot different. So instead of striking it from the outside with a separate beater, it actually has a beater inside of it made out of metal. And instead of just holding it by hand, you could actually use this part of it to clip to your belt. So now to wear this type of kilikili, it's actually very simple. So all you do is you take this part of the clip and pass it right behind your belt, and you're all done, you're good for running. And that is the Kilikili. Thank you for watching. Hello, Editor Quinlan here. Quickly, before you go, may I suggest checking out this song that I wrote. It's in the Siraya language, and it features the Kilikili to tell the story of a message being delivered to a village, and the people in that village's excitement and anticipation. Other than that, please consider subscribing, and goodbye!